Good morning everyone. Guys, it's the time is 5 a.m. So here I'm walking. So I'm on my way to my work. So it's also exercise in the morning and there's the high road. So it's early morning exercise and it's really hard here without bus in the weekend. So I need to walk early to the town before the time of the bus reach, so I will not miss the bus because the time here to work has like a schedule, or the bus has a schedule. Look, there's deer. Oh my god, the deer early morning is there. It's big one. He already have horn. Look guys, he's eating the deer. Hi. They are easy to get scared, but he is far away. So guys, look, it's the deer. Hello. He's there. Oh, that is so cute. He's not scared. He's far away from me. I just zoomed that, guys. So, hi dear. He's alone. He's eating. He just look at me. Oh, now he's gone. Now he leave because I stop. Oh no. Okay. He's scared. Hello. Now he go. Oh, thank you guys. And be safe. Now I continue walking. I still have like 1 hour. But it's okay. I have enough time. So, oh, that was beautiful, the deers. So here is just trees around in this road here. So you can just walk. It's for bicycle and people who can walk here. And here's the parking place in here so the cars can go. So here is for the people. So